Okay, so I've got some pretty serious calcium buildup on my sprayer and on my faucet here in my kitchen. You can see that this has been neglected for some time. So today in the video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I've found to clean this up without using any harmful chemicals. The easiest way that I've found is to just take some distilled white vinegar and to pour it into a sandwich baggie like this one, and then just to soak your faucet, or in this case my sprayer, in this vinegar. It's straight distilled white vinegar. I did not mix it with anything. Once I have the baggie or the sprayer in the baggie, I'm just going to take a rubber band and wrap it around so that way it can soak in the vinegar for an amount of time. Again, I'll repeat this process here with my faucet and just kind of show you how I did it with my faucet. Again, just poured a little distilled white vinegar into the sandwich baggie, get a rubber band and wrap it around again so that way that faucet sits in the vinegar. Now, originally I was going to let this sit for about 30 minutes, but to be completely honest with you, I forgot the 30-minute timer, so it ended up sitting for about 45 minutes for this video. So just so that way you know how long mine sat for is about 45 minutes. I think 30 minutes would be fine, but just so you know, this was tested at 45 minutes. You can see just taking the bag off, it's already looking a million times better. Just a light scrub here, and it just looks like a brand new faucet head or sprayer head here. Just spray a little water off there to clean it all up. But this is by far the easiest way to clean these faucets and these sprayer heads. Again, just 45 minutes, just using vinegar, a little scrub, and that's it. No harmful chemicals, no fancy combinations of different types of materials or ingredients or anything like that. Not a whole lot of elbow grease either. Just the vinegar. Wait for it, and you can see how clean that looks underneath the faucet now. It's a night and day difference. I'll show you a little before and then a little after here. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button for me.